My name is Alan Page. I'm the IT manager for Winamac Coil Spring. We are a family-held company for 75 years now. We make any coil spring from real small to real big. I think our biggest one is about 4 feet tall. We primarily serve the ag industry and the toy market, ATV, UTV market. Before we implemented Plex, we had one ERP system and 15 applications around that. Our business was somewhat of a guesstimation. We didn't have good control over our process and how long things would take, so when we were trying to quote to our customer, you're either quoting really high or you're quoting really low. Our vision for growth that drove us to Plex was our customers were asking for things we just couldn't get out of our current system. We needed a way to get rid of all these applications, put them all into one, so that we could have better control over every aspect of the business and give our customers better pricing to help us win more business. When we did our integration with Plex, we said we're going to get rid of as much as possible. And now we have one source of truth that is driving our business in ways we didn't even think possible. Now we have real-time data to tell us what is it taking to build this product versus what we quoted. And then in the quoting, they can look at historical data for a similar product to get a good idea of what it's going to take. As business changes, having that tight partnership with Plex helps us to expand and adapt quicker than we've ever been able to do in the past.